Doeacc CCC Introduction of Computer Part 5. Online contents for course on computer concept. The syllabus are Introduction to Computer, Introduction to GUI based operating system, Elements of word processing, spreadsheet, computer communication and internet, World Wide Web and web browser, communication and collaboration, making a small presentation. Objectives: you will learn about definition of computer, evaluation of computer and its characteristics, application of computer, hardware and software, data information and processing, understanding e-governance and multimedia. Here we will discuss about hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of data processing system. Input, storage, processing and control devices are hardware, such as a hard disk, printer, keyboard, etc. Without any hardware, your computer would not exist. The software would have nothing to run on. Computer software is something that executes within the hardware. The hardware of a computer is infrequently changed in comparison with software and data. Hardware professionals deal with the manufacturing and maintenance of computers. Many manufacturers mass produce computer systems and sell them either through direct marketing or retail chains. There are also a number of vendors that can custom assemble computers system to the end user and specifications. It is also possible to purchase the individual parts and components of a computer and build it. Some of the items to consider when purchasing a computer includes the motherboards, processor, RAM, storage, adapter cards, power options. The internal parts of computers look like this. Software. A computer can only do what a programmer asks it to do. To perform a particular task, the programmer writes a sequence of instructions called the program. And instruction is a command given to the computer to perform a certain specified operation on the given data. A set of programs written for a computer is called software. Without software, hardware is of no use. It cannot produce any result on its own. It is a general term used to describe a collection of computer programs, procedure and documentation that perform some task on a computer systems. Usually within high-level programming language, software are easier and more efficient for humans to use than machine language. High-level languages are compiled or interpreted into machine language object code. Software engineers, program system analysts, develop and maintain software with technological changes. Software changes take place faster than hardware changes. Practical computer system divides software system into two major classes: application software and system software. First, we will discuss about application software. Software that allow you to do things like create text, documents, play games, listen to music or surf the web is called application software. In general, application programs are software that enable the end user to perform specific productive tasks such as word processing or image manipulations. System software. System software comprises of an operating system and all utility programs like compiler, loader, linker, and debugger that manage computer resources at a low level. Operating systems such as GNU, Microsoft, Windows, Mac, OS X, or Linux are prominent examples of system software. System software is software that basically allows the parts of a computer to work together. Without the system software, the computer cannot operate as a single unit. System software performs tasks like transferring data from memory to disk or rendering text onto a display device. Application software like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, Skype, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, PDF, or many more. Programming language. Some examples of popular high-level language are given below. The first is Fortran. It is an abbreviation for formula translation. IBM introduced Fortran in 1957. It is a very useful language for scientific and engineering computers as it contains many functions for performing complex mathematical operations. COBOL. It is an abbreviation for Common Business Oriented Language. COBOL was developed especially for business data processing. It was introduced by the US Industry Government Committee in 1960 and is used for the large business and commercial applications such as handling of ledgers, account and payroll files, etc. Next is Pascal. It is a high-level language named in honor of Blaise Pascal, 17th century French mathematician, philosopher and inventor. It is a multi-purpose language suitable for both scientific and business applications. Besides numbers, it can also manipulate vectors, matrix, and the string of characters, sets, records, files, and lists. Some examples of high-level languages: CW Basics, COBOL, Pascal, etc. Next is BASIC. Is an abbreviation for beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code. It was introduced in 1965 by Dartmouth College. BASIC is widely used language for simple computation and analysis. Next is ALGOL. It is an abbreviation for Algorithmic Language and International Committee, introduced in 1958. It is suitable for scientific and engineering computation. It is used in some universities and computer centers but not in industries. Next is C language. It is general purpose high-level language, a group at Bell Telephone Laboratories, USA in early 1970s designed this language. It has features similar to Pascal. It permits manipulation of internal processor registers, and hence a programmer can write low-level machine instructions. Logo. It is an abbreviation for logic-oriented, graphic-oriented. Seymour Papert and his colleagues at the MIT developed it in the late 1960s. It is used in the serious scientific work in universities. It has also been popularized and as a first educational language that children can use to achieve intellectual growth and problem-solving skills. Lisp. It stands for List Processing. McCarthy developed this language in the early 1960s. Lisp is suitable for non-numeric operation involving logical operation. It is used extensively in the artificial intelligence and the pattern recognition. It is also used in designing computer games, proving forms, etc. Java. Java was introduced by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java is a programming language designed for use in the distributed environment of the Internet. It was designed to have the look and feel of the C++ language, but It is the similar to use then C++ and enforce and object-oriented programming model. Introduction of Computer Part 5. The end.